Yes, it is on video.
Okay.
And then this.
Do you want to read the number on the card?
Yeah, it's pretty clear, but
Okay.
Bank AZEX 846-47488.
Cool.
And here are the parts.
We got the bird. We got, I think, left wing.
Yeah, whichever wing that is. One wing.
And we got the other wing.
Another wing.
We're putting in the bag to be destroyed. Start the wings.
It's so hot.
Yeah. Make sure it's nice and sealed.
Yeah, I don't want to have to sweep
Make a
after.
mess.
Oh boy!
It's durable.
That's you might need to do a smash.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Oh, there we
go.
go. Okay. It said 1 inch or smaller, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're getting there, just a couple on the big pieces.
Okay. I think it also said a dozen or more pieces, so this should be.
Yeah, that's over a dozen. I think you're good.
Yeah. So just I'll hold it up.
So that's the one of the wings. Oh boy.
Oh. Yeah, that's
Whoa.
the bag.
Okay. I think the bags are kind of like melty in the heat. All right.
Yeah, the wing's thoroughly destroyed.
That's one wing. It's so hot. Oh, we should have worn sunscreen. Well, in Canada, this shouldn't be this hot.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Okay, this is the other wing. Go for it. Oh, you got it.
No, sorry. I'm still trying to.
That's good. I think that's better than the other
a
one.
dozen
Yeah,
pieces.
definitely.
Lots
For
and
sure.
lots of-
There's another.
Okay.
And we will do the.
Bird body.
This feels not right.
Not it. Came with some damage. So.
Yeah, no. This is that poor face.
I know.
Oh. Whoa! Wow. Maybe this one's gonna need to throw at the ground.
Throw it at the ground, you think?
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know. I think it should be fine.
Okay, keep going. I hope I didn't have to have the date in it the whole time, did I? I doubt it. I showed it at the beginning. Let's
Yeah.
just leave it there. Oh, some of it's coming out of the bag.
Mm-hmm.
Should be wearing safety glasses.
You probably should, actually.
So just be careful.
And flip it over. So.
Okay.
Okay, get it on the camera and I'll throw the bag.
Okay.
Off the concrete.
Oh, okay. Go for it. Oh, that hit the grass.
And look at the concrete one more time.
Okay.